About Virginia Second Article Rally. January 19, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. It is happily noted that someone, somewhere, has realized that the second article has far more power and standing as law of substance than any theoretical Second Amendment, and that this principal guarantee cannot be violated as a taking against the will. Kudos and congratulations to whoever had the good sense to notice that there is a difference between an article of the Constitution and an amendment to the Constitution. That said, and in the same spirit of awareness, when you take reference to civil rights and federal code sections except for the explicitly declared purpose of reminding them of what their own law requires, you are placing yourself under their law, not yours, and you are then unavoidably separating yourself from the protections of the actual Constitution. You can't be in and out at the same time. You can't claim equal civil rights as a federal citizen, and at the same time claim natural and unalienable rights and constitutional guarantees as an American. I cannot say this often enough or emphatically enough, both U.S. territorial and municipal federal citizenships are created by the constitutions, so either variety of U.S. citizen are not parties to the constitutions and cannot make any direct claim to any constitutional guarantee. American state citizens are direct parties to the constitutions and have the right of enforcement, but U.S. citizens, either territorial or municipal, do not. Read that again, U.S. citizens are not parties to any constitution and have never had any constitutional rights or guarantees. As long as you persist in claiming to be any variety of U.S. citizen, neither do you. At best, such persons can hope that the Congress honors its agreement to provide equal civil rights, and this is a vain hope, as they have already declared a state of emergency which, for federal citizens, suspends their equal civil rights access to the constitutions. So, here you are, misidentified as some sort of U.S. citizen, depending on second-class equal civil rights that have already been suspended. This is not a tenable situation to be in, and if you wish to access the protections and guarantees you are heir to, then you must take proactive measures to declare and record your correct political status as an American, not a U.S. citizen dependent on equal civil rights. For help getting back to where you should be, go to www.theamericanstatesassembly.net and declare and record your correct political status as an American today. Don't wait. Don't try to argue it in court. Secure your evidence and position today. I am constantly contacted by people who get themselves in trouble with the federal authorities and then after the fact want to declare their correct political status and enforce the substantive law in their favor. It doesn't work that way. Once you are in their courts and identified as one of their citizens, you are obligated to obey their policies and statutory laws. Any attempt to change your political status in midstream looks suspicious and self-serving and is discredited as evasion. Most Americans have been blissfully ignorant of their obligation to declare and record their political status as Americans, and as a result, are incorrectly identified as British territorial United States citizens or municipal federal civil service citizens of the United States, and there is no evidence on the public record otherwise. So, if you want to enforce your second article right to keep and bear arms, you must declare and record your political status as an American state citizen and access your guarantees directly, instead of relying upon the rogues in Congress to honor their action granting equal civil rights to federal United States citizens. What the Congress gives to its employees and dependents, equal civil rights, the Congress can take away. What is owed to you directly by international treaty and service contract is a different story. Please consider making a small donation to help support Anna von Reitz and the Living Law Firm, by visiting annavonreitz.com and click on the Donate button. Thank you.